Luminance Color Beauty. Glow smarter, glow brighter. According to Google Trends, women over 40 are searching more than ever for help with gray blending, ashy tones, silver strands, and low-maintenance color techniques like balayage and herringbone highlights. And here's the inside scoop. These trends aren't just about color. They're about healthier hair, longer grow-out cycles, and styling routines that protect moisture, especially for women with natural or color-treated hair. Today, I'm blending the latest gray blending trend insights with the exact techniques professional stylists use behind the chair. So you can style your short natural bob with fringe in a way that's heat safe, color safe, and moisture friendly. Are you embracing your silver or blending it softly? Whether you're transitioning to gray, blending your silver, or refreshing your natural sparkle, this guide gives you the inside scoop on what stylists teach behind the chair. I've seen a wonderful shift happen in the salon and in our culture. For decades, the standard approach to silver strands was simple: cover them up. But today, there's a modern confidence-boosting movement away from hiding grays to beautifully blending them. Search interest has officially moved from cover my gray to blend my gray, and for good reason. This guide is created and designed to help you understand what gray blending is, why it's becoming such a popular and liberating choice, and the most common techniques to ask your stylist about. It's an empowering way to embrace a natural transition with style and grace. Are you ready to embrace your silver with style? Okay, let's get right into it. What exactly is gray blending? Gray blending is not just one specific service. It's a coloring approach designed to work with your natural hair, not against it. The goal is to incorporate your silver strands into your overall hair color, rather than covering them completely with a solid one-dimensional dye. It offers a seamless way to incorporate your silver strands into a chic modern style. By softening the contrast between your natural regrowth and your colored hair, it helps to eliminate the harsh, noticeable grow-out line that often comes with traditional all-over color. Adopting gray blending is as much about a new perspective as it is about a new hair color. It's about shifting the goal from hiding your gray as a flaw to highlighting it as a feature. This shift in perspective brings a host of benefits, making the journey to gray more graceful than ever. The top 4 reasons people choose gray blending. More people are choosing gray blending for its practical and aesthetic benefits. Here are the top 4 reasons this approach has become so popular. Less salon maintenance. Because gray blending works with your natural regrowth, it allows you to go much longer between salon appointments. This is a welcome change from the typical 4 to 6 week schedule required for root touch-ups with all-over color. A softer, more graceful transition techniques like fine highlights and balayage prevent the harsh demarcation line between your roots and the rest of your hair. This makes the entire process of growing out old dye and embracing your natural silver feel more seamless, intentional, and beautiful. Healthier hair compared to repeated all-over color applications or harsh box dyes, blending techniques are often gentler on your hair. This helps you maintain the health and integrity of your hair fiber during your color journey. A modern and confident look. More than just a hair color, gray blending is seen as an empowering way to celebrate your natural hair. Clients often describe the transition as freeing, resulting in a sophisticated style that makes them feel authentic and confident. Now let's look at the specific salon techniques used to create these beautiful blended looks. The most popular ways to blend your grays. Gray blending is an umbrella term for several different coloring techniques. There are many hairstylists that claim that in their chair, they help clients choose the best technique for their hair type, gray pattern, and desired look. Now we'll compare 3 of the most popular methods. Do you enjoy this video? Please share this video, like, and comment. A classic technique where a colorist adds subtle light strands throughout the hair. This method breaks up solid color and allows your natural gray strands to blend in with the new, lighter pieces. Creates a natural, dimensional look where the grays mix in with the highlights, making them less noticeable. Best for a classic, subtle approach or for those with a lower percentage of gray who want to start the blending process. Balayage, a freehand hair painting technique where a stylist strategically sweeps lightener onto the hair. It's known for creating a very gradual, soft, and natural-looking effect from root to tip. This delivers an incredibly soft and seamless transition with no harsh lines of regrowth, making it a modern lived-in style. Best for the ultimate low-maintenance client who wants a very soft, sun-kissed grow-out. Herringbone highlights, a specialized technique where the colorist intentionally alternates both warm and cool-toned highlights alongside your natural silver strands. The placement mimics a chic herringbone pattern, results in a highly sophisticated style that makes your gray strands look like a deliberate part of a multi-tonal design. Best for those who want to intentionally celebrate and feature their silver strands as part of a high-end design. This is for the client who is ready to fully embrace their gray. Here's what 3 of today's most influential stylists, frequently featured in trending beauty publications, are advising women over 40. Charlotte Rowley. For women over 40, The goal isn't fighting your gray every 4 weeks. It's creating a blend that grows out softly, then supporting it at home with moisture and bond care. Rosie Bayless. When you're working with gray blending, especially on mature hair, the key is to keep the hair fiber strong and hydrated so those silver ribbons stay reflective instead of frizzy. L'Oréal Professionnel Color Experts. For herringbone or silver blending clients, tone and gloss are everything. Regular glossing keeps ashy and silver tones polished instead of yellow or dull. Understanding these techniques is the first step, but the next is deciding if this beautiful, low-maintenance approach is the right personal choice for you. Is gray blending the right choice for you? If you are tired of the constant cycle of root touch-ups, want a gentler way to transition to your natural silver, and love the idea of a dimensional, low-maintenance style, then gray blending is worth considering. It's a flexible approach that can be customized to your unique hair and personal style. Ultimately, choosing gray blending is a powerful way to embrace a new stage with confidence. Some women are noticing firsthand how it can be a truly beautiful and liberating journey by allowing her natural beauty to shine through. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to select the next video for more Luminance Color Beauty glow-up tutorials and more confidence-building beauty education.